Scene script. Imagine a beauty secret so ancient, it predates your favorite contour kit by centuries. Welcome to the world of Korean beauty, where rice water reigns supreme. This isn't your average kitchen side ingredient. Korean women swear by its magic, harnessing the power of this humble grain to achieve that envious youthful glow. Creating your own rice water elixir is as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, rinse a handful of rice to remove any dirt. Next, soak the clean rice in water for about 20 minutes. Then, strain the water into a clean bottle. Voila! Your very own beauty potion is ready. But why, you ask, would I douse my face in rice water? Well, it's packed with vitamins and minerals that hydrate, brighten, and smooth the skin. Plus, it's cheaper than a fancy latte and doesn't come with any complicated instructions. So, next time you're cooking up a storm in the kitchen, remember this ancient Korean beauty secret. Your skin will thank you for it. Trust me, it's the rice thing to do.